Caleb Williams is an American football quarterback for the Chicago Bears of the National Football League. He played college football for the Oklahoma Sooners and USC Trojans and was selected first overall by the Bears in the 2024 NFL Draft. Williams was selected first overall by the Chicago Bears in the 2024 NFL Draft. The Bears previously acquired this pick along with wide receiver DJ Moore in a trade that sent the first overall pick in the 2023 NFL Draft. Williams and the Trojans went 7-5 in 2023 during the regular season, throwing for 3,333 yards with 31 passing and 11 rushing touchdowns. He declared for the 2024 NFL Draft following the season, finishing his college career throwing for nearly 10,000 yards with 120 total touchdowns. On January 3, 2022, Williams entered the transfer portal and on February 1, he announced that he had transferred to USC, reuniting him with head coach Lincoln Riley, who had been the head coach for the Sooners before being hired away by the Trojans the previous November. Williams was named the starter on August 25-14 and team captain on August 31. In his first start against Rice, he went 19-22 with 249 yards and 2 touchdowns as USC won 66-14. He became the AP College Football Player of the Year, USC's first winner since Reggie Bush in 2005, and was named the 2022 Heisman Trophy winner. Williams entered his true freshman season at Oklahoma in 2021 as the backup to Spencer Rattler before assuming the role as a starting quarterback midway through the Sooners' rivalry game with the Texas Longhorns in the team's 6th game of the season. In that game, Oklahoma was down 35-17 before Williams replaced Rattler and led the Sooners to a 55-48 victory. He finished with 212 passing yards, 2 passing touchdowns, 88 yards rushing and a rushing touchdown. Williams made his first start the following week against Texas Christian University and threw for 295 yards, 4 touchdowns and rushed for 66 yards and a rushing touchdown as Oklahoma won